Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 17th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic number 2, binary number 1, and a binary and number 2, so total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, I only do 4 of them. Sudoku with 3 stars I will do, with 4 stars I will do, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. Alright, so let's get started with this one, the 3 stars, and this 3 stars will be a number 1, 8, and 9, 4. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Sometimes the publisher mixed the 3 stars and the 4 stars, or the printed numbers are incorrect. So let me check. We have here 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 1 is equal to 25. So this is correct. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. It's not always true. If you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, then it will be much tougher. Anyway, so let's get started. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Let me choose another digit. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 3, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. And if I could look to this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 here. So no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And then 5, 9. 9 should be here. 5, 9, 7. Alright, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And remember, I have marked those 2 boxes with the dot for the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. then I cannot continue with the 4. I see. How about the 5 in this column, the last column, 5 in the column and next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2, 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2, 1, and 8. I need an 8. 8. Here cannot be an 8. There's supposed to be an 8. 8, 5, 2. 2 cannot be here. 8 and the 2 should be here. Yes. In this big square, we have 3 missing numbers. The 2, the 8 in this big square, and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 8 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Then, so those 3 missing numbers in this row are reserved for the numbers 2, the 8, the 2 and the 8, and well, we have here an 8, 8 and the 2 are left in this big square. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there, so this cannot be an 8. And in this big square, we have an 8 there, so no 8 in those 2 boxes in this column. So the 8 could be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 supposed to be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. Let me mark those numbers. So these 2 numbers in this column should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. Let me mark them 7 and 9. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. All right. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8. One of the missing number in this big square is the 8. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. The 1 and the 9 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this first row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 is missing, 5 is missing, and 7 is missing. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 here, so in this box cannot be 5 or 7. 1 digit left should be the 2, the 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this column for the number 5, I believe. 5, yes, 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then these 2 numbers in this column, the middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the 9 are missing. Let me mark them for you, 8 and the 9. That means the other 3 should be the 1, the 6 and the 3. 1, 3, 6. So I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about those 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 1 and 9? Let me mark them again. I cannot fill this yet. That means, yes, in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. The only place left should be there, the 9. Alright. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 3 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. How about 6, 6? 6, 2, 3. Alright, 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7 are missing in the second column. 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. So now we have a 2 here. So this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 3. 2 boxes left. The 6 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. And the final number of this big square for the number 1. Yes, finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku it will be. So see you later. Bye bye for now.